and I want to start deciding what shows on here. What kind of home page do I have? So to start that process, we're in our dashboard, we're going to go to settings. So let's find settings. We're going to go to reading, and we are going to pick whether or not we want static or latest post. So let me find the word static. Okay, so this right here, let's talk about this section right here. All right, our way we do this is, if we're choosing our latest post, then we're probably pushing our website more like a blog. That's more of a news type site. You always want the freshest, newest, most up-to-date content. Or you can choose a static page. Now you notice that this is a link. So if I click on this, it actually tells me, look at your custom home page, edit the home page. Let's go back to settings. It's a little bit dumb how that worked. Sorry, we go back there, go to settings, we're going to go to reading, and a static web page, what that is you have a single page that is your home page. It can have new stuff on it, but it isn't necessarily defined by the newest stuff. So I'm going to click static page, because to me that's the way a website is. A blog and a website, while they are both on the web, and one is, a blog is a kind of website, but not all websites are blogs. Okay, so I'm now going to choose a static website, and I'm going to make my home page home, and my posts page I don't yet have. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom here to save these changes, and now we're going to add a blog. So going back into our dashboard to pages, all pages, we can either click here to add a page, or we can click here to add a page. We're going to click that add a page, and I'm going to call this my blog. Again, let me pull this down into view. I'm going to hit publish again. When this reloads, we are now done. Let's go back over here to pages. We've got blog. And now let's go back into our dashboard settings to reading, and our posts page, we're going to set it to blog. Okay? Now, with that said, you can have 10, you can have 50 blog posts showing on a page. Syndication feeds, I'm not going to worry about that. Do you want each one to show the full text or an excerpt? If you do an excerpt, you would then click to go see more of it. Site visibility. If you're currently on a public site and you made it public, but you want to backtrack out so that people can't see it, you can go here to click coming soon, and that will replace that home page with that bright ideas are coming. I'm not going to do that. Private would then allow only you to see the things in this while you're logged in as a member, or to members that you approve. Okay, that's a way to do things. That might be a way to have like a subscription site, but I would encourage you to just read through these various sections. All right, so I've got that done. Again, save changes, and in the next post, in the next video, I think I'm going to talk about how to get your pages in an order that you like. Because if we go to pages, and if we go to view blog pages, and I go over here, you'll notice that blog is up in front of home, and to me that kind of feels weird. So we'll work on that next. See you in the next video.